Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. A smart city or cities is an urban area that uses different types of electronic Internet of Things sensors to collect data. Check out our video on IoT if you don't know what it is or barely know what it is. It'll be in the top right hand corner of the video. Now, smart cities use insights gained from the IoT data to manage assets, resources, and services effectively. In return, using that data to better improve operation across a city. For instance, traffic. It will use the data that it gains on the amount of traffic, the time traffic starts, and the amount of accidents that occur to help effectively lower traffic and better improve the city. Now, smart cities technology allows city officials to interact directly with both community and city infrastructures, and to monitor what is happening in the city and how to improve the city. Some cities help improve the community for the civilians and help improve parts of the cities that haven't been improved in a while. If you like this topic, make sure you like and subscribe so we can know what type of topics to talk about. See ya.